In this video, we're going to talk about how to get a free trial with Adobe Creative Cloud for a 7-day period. Okay, so you can try out the applications for 7 days, risk-free, and see if you want to invest in the long term with Creative Cloud. Okay, so what I'm going to do is on adobe.com, we'll click on Creativity and Design. We'll click on What is Creative Cloud? And you're going to see a variety of options here for Photoshop, Illustrator, Acrobat Pro, Adobe Express, InDesign, and Premiere Pro, right? So I'm going to click on Start Free Trial with Photoshop, and this is going to prompt two options. You can do the 7-day free trial for Photoshop for $20 a month after the 7-day free trial, or you can go to Creative Cloud All Apps, and you can select the monthly option, which is $82.49 per month. You can cancel anytime with no fee, okay? And so if I continue, I can enter in my email address here, so I'm going to do that. Okay, I'm going to hit continue. And they want me to put in my information, so what I'll do is I'll pause for right now, and I'll put the information in, and then we'll go to the next screen, okay? But before I do that, you can see here that after the trial ends on August 1st, I'm going to be charged $82, and so I have a 7-day free trial, okay? It's a monthly. You can change that to yearly, build monthly, or yearly, build up front. And if you do that, again, after the trial ends, you'll be charged this much, okay? So depending on the plan you pick, that's what you're going to get charged after 7 days. So make sure that if you don't like the membership, that you cancel it before your due date. So if you're watching this a month from now, let's say it's September 1st, it's going to expire on September 8th. It'll tell you what's due now, and then when it will expire as well. Okay, so again, I'm going to pause this now and fix that, and then I'll be back once I have the information entered in. Okay, so stand by. Okay, so I have entered in my information. Now I'm going to create a password. So I'll click on Create My Password. Okay, and you can see my email is right there. I'm going to hide my password so you don't know what it is. Okay, but I'm just going to start typing something. Okay, and now I can complete my account. So I click on Complete the Account, and now I'm set up. They're going to ask for a phone number. You can enter this in if you want. I'm not going to do that, but I'm going to click Not Now. Okay, and I've already received an email welcoming me to the 7-day free trial. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, now that we're inside of the Creative Cloud here, I'm going to click on View All Apps. Let's see. Oh no, it just wants me to download stuff. Okay, so we'll leave it there now. And so that is how you set up a Creative Cloud account with a 7-day free trial. You need a credit card or a PayPal account to get access, and then from there you can see all the information for the Creative Cloud app. Okay, and so with that, I'll leave you there. Congratulations on setting up your account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.